Hello everybody. I just wanted to make you a short little video to help you create your foldable for this lesson. So something that you're going to need is just 3 pieces of paper. It can be blank white paper if you have 3 different colors of paper. I actually have green, white, and black. I would not suggest using black since you can't really see what you're writing on it, but this is just for demonstration purposes. You can use lined paper, whatever you have. But what you do want to do is you want to line them up and kind of stagger them and have them be, I would say, maybe half an inch to an inch apart. Okay, you don't want to do half a piece of paper apart, but maybe just like, the end digit of your finger apart and stagger them like that. So just a little bit apart there. And then you have the staggering on the back as well. So if you guys take this and hold it so that your 3 different colors or your 3 different sheets are staggered at the bottom, you then just have to fold over the top and line it up so that those, stay consistent. It's the same lining. I'm going to actually set this down for a minute and just crease it. So again, we were holding our paper with our 3 staggers down. We're going to fold this over so they all kind of line up, so each of these tabs are still about the same, and then you're just going to crease it. If you guys have a stapler and you want to throw a couple little staples on the top just to hold this, that's fine. If not, you're not going to hopefully be running around with them too much to where it'll fall apart. But that will be your foldable. So one that I have pre-created for us that I would like for you guys to copy is this one. So again, just like in the directions, you guys can pause the video to see what I have written here. I'll zoom in. I threw a couple staples in there to hold it, but the most important thing is to give yourself a line right down the middle here, and you can lift up each tab and continue that line up so that you are just dividing each of these pages in half so that we can put double the examples on each one. You then want to, let me peek over the top here, see if you guys can see this. You guys can pause right there to see the titles and the names that you want to put on each one of these. Now, what's important is to give yourself a picture if it's applicable, and the definition of each one of these. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this back and hold this so that you guys can see it. Whoops, there we go. And again, you guys can pause on each one of these to see the words that I've written and the examples I've given. If there are more examples that you would like to put on your own, that's totally fine. But these are kind of the bare essentials that you want to have for each one of these. So again, there's that example. Okay. Here is the next example, or the next page, I should say. And here is the second to last page. And then here is the final page. So again, if you guys want to pause the video and copy down your notes. And this is going to be the foldable that we're creating today to really help make sure you guys have your notes in one handy spot and to definitely help you commit them to memory through writing and coming up with more examples. It's also a very good review session of all of these key terms. Thanks, guys.